Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix shutdown restart sleep log off missing from Windows 11, 10 start menu. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click system. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value named as shutdown without logon, change value data to 1. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Open Remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep and hibernate commands, change to disabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.